All right, we're gonna call this hammer time because that's what we have here. With if we start take a monthly chart on BRBY Bellring Brands, we had a great earnings call. The management is excited. Sales, earnings, fundamentals are all perfect, or not perfect. Nothing's perfect, but they're all well within the range of what I expect and what other investors expect. We had a big, huge 57% drop coming from the highs of January, February, and we are down to a major support level that has been in place since 2021. This is great, folks. This is awesome, and what you have here is also a hidden bullish divergence on the monthly chart. We have extreme RSIs here at these levels. Now let's go to a weekly chart now. Weekly chart. With the weekly chart, we see something similar. Let's also take off our indicators here as well and zoom out. Look at this beautiful trend line, right? We are at these trend lines. Let me draw another one, by the way. Let me draw a little one like this. There we go. That's much better, right? Much better trend line. Trend lines aren't really that perfect. I'm going to make it parallel to this, but that's good enough for me. Uh, this kind of range it hit, and this trend line is also at this great horizontal level from 2021. Okay, let's put our indicators in now. I'll save this chart, and what we see are another. We see a again extremes here, extreme indicators, extreme RSI, similar things here. That confirms our hidden bullish divergence on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart. We're going to zoom in more on the daily chart. I don't really go down the daily charts that much, but in this case, it's special because I was looking at exactly at when it touched this horizontal line, which it came really close to it, or those highs over here came really close to those highs around here. And I was just watching the price on the lower time frame, a 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart, and I really loved it. I really liked the way it looked, and it formed as it was falling. When it hit near here 34, I just started to buy, and then it formed what we call a hammer time over here, right? And right now we have 31 seconds left for this full three-bar candle to form. And if it stays up here, it's going to be what do you call a morning star. This doesn't mean that it's 100% accurate, but it's going to be a sign that we are turning around. It's a sign that the bears are now taking profits. We went to extremes with the BRBR Bellring Brands. This stock was the worst performing stock of the S&P 400 mid cap. And look, candle just ended. Candle just ended on the positive note. Look at this here. We have a morning star. Now it's not just hammer time, baby. It is now. I'm going to add this now. A morning star. Right? It's a morning star. I don't know why it didn't. There we go. It changed. It switched. So now we have hammer time, and now we also have a morning star. So it's a hammer time morning star combo. So I think looking at the broader picture, I bought at 34, 30, 34, 34.12 ish, and now it's at 36.7. I think that also we're forming other patterns here, and besides horizontal support, we have extreme Fibonacci levels. We have some harmonic patterns forming here as well. On this here, this will be called a crab pattern here, a crabbish type pattern. And if it goes down here to 27, this will be I'll call it pie pattern. I forgot the original name. I always forget the original name. So yeah, this looks great. I'm in on this thing, and I'm gonna hold it. And looking at our Fibonacci, yeah, this will be a B. This will be the from here from our October 2022 level to the highs of 2024, 2025. This will be our A, and where we are right now will potentially be our B. Is that also look? It hit it hit our FIP levels here. FIP levels are right here. It's hard to see, but it's right here. I drew it out. That's the extreme level. There's a FIP level. I guess I can draw it again because It's hard to see them. Let's see. Right. Oh yeah, that was a 76% level, 70%, 76 fib level. I hit that level and I got in. And all these levels are on confluence with our indicators. Perfect, guys. And I don't know if I should put this on a daily chart or weekly chart, but I'm going to put another chart up. Refreshing this stock. I'm going to end this because it's now been 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going to end this chart. This is beautiful, wonderful, guys. Take care. Rockman over and out.